Please put your hands together as we invite the one and only Shri Prabhat Kumar, sir, to deliver the welcome address and set the tone for this landmark summit that we're witnessing today. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Nancy, and a very good morning to all the dignitaries, all the special guests, all the directors, all the professors, deans, all the IIT alumni community, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a very, very momentous occasion for all of us to be here on this occasion and take the Pan IIT movement forward. Just before I say my formal thanks, let me just share with you one small story that happened. So I just came back from US, where I had gone to settle my daughter, who had joined one of the leading institutions in South California, like LA, USC. So there we had a small get-together of the Pan IIT community, and a lot of people, a lot of IITians came, 50 people came. So one person during the question answer session asked me, why is Pan IIT having so many events now? Earlier we used to have only one event in India and one event in US, and now we see that a lot of events are getting happening across the cities. So the thing that I told them is that earlier we had only 5 IITs, now we have 23. So we have democratized the IIT education. So from 5, we are 23 now, and it is going to grow. Our footprints are also now in Zanzibar. It is also in Dubai. So, Abu Dhabi. So what I want to say is that the community is growing, the needs are growing, and we need to integrate a lot of people together. And even Pan IIT also needs to democratize. So what Pan IIT actually stands for, I'm very privileged that some of the people who started Pan IIT are also part of this hall. And a lot of people, I met them in US as well. So there are a lot of people in this ecosystem. There is IIT, there is IIT alumni, there is a startups ecosystem, there is policy makers, everybody. So what can be the common denominator or the platform which can really put everybody together on one platform and create a kind of synergy? We have all seen during our IIT education system that how we believe in the identities of the hostels. People say, okay, you are from this hostel, okay, you are a friend. People do not know about the other hostels or the hall loyalties or the IIT loyalties. But now we have to really merge the identities together, because ultimately at the end of the day, we are all IITians. And that is our identity. That is our identity. So no hall, no IIT, nothing. And especially I have been receiving a lot of calls and messages from the junior, like what we call the junior IITs, their alumni. They say, we are very young people, we do not have an Arjun Malhotra with us. So how do we connect with people? So the Pan IIT movement needs to grow. And in our existence from last 2.5 decades, we have been doing this, and we are trying to now have many, many events going to different cities. We had recently an event in Jaipur. We are having an event today in Chennai. We will be having an event very soon in Bangalore. We are having a very huge event in the month of June in Delhi. Even the Pan IIT USA is having an event in April in Long Beach in LA. So there are many things planned. Even Pan IIT Alumni India is considering having an event in UK, an event in Dubai, an event in Singapore. So we are really trying to take this Pan IIT movement global. And why should not we do that? Because the seeds of nation building that was started in IIT Kharagpur in 18th August 1951, from that day till today, 75 years, what started as a small seed, now it has become like a huge, huge tall tree. And it is spreading across the entire globe. So now we have somebody in Chennai who is doing manufacturing, somebody in the US doing some research lab, somebody in Bangalore doing a startup, somebody in Delhi. Arjun was just mentioning to me yesterday only, now every secretary I go to in the ministry, more or less they are from IIT. So this is the kind of the dominance and impact that IITians have created. When we started in the walls of IIT Kharagpur, what is written? In the service of nation. So what started as a nation builders thing, later on what people started thinking that now the strategy, the theme has drifted. People have started going to US for their own benefits. They are like, there is an issue of brain drain happening here. They are not serving the nation. But at the end of the day, when you see today, everybody is contributing to the same ethos of nation building. And when we talk about the present context, and our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji had given the clarion call of Viksit Bharat 2047. So under that kind of vision, every IITian is doing its bit. Now all of us are joining hands together in whichever way, because ultimately if you are part of the industry, you are growing the GDP. If you're part of the service, you are doing something great. If you're part of the startup, you are contributing to the economy. So every IITian, and people even who went abroad, majority of them have come back also. They have started many institutions here. They have done a lot of innovation here. So what IIT education taught us, the kind of the resilience, the kind of frugality, the kind of the crucible that we have gone through. Now with that, we are all here, and hall will be completely full, I think, in 15-20 minutes more. So what I want to say is that the movement has become a very strong movement, and where Pan IIT platform is very much required to make all these people, whether it is academia, whether it is industry, whether it is the policymakers, whether it is startup community, whether it is the funding community, anybody, though they all should be, or not only the IIT community, even the non-IITians should be part of it. I was very happy when somebody told me when I was in US that for the Pan IIT event happening in Long Beach, one person who is from SRCC, he contributed $75,000 and he became the platinum sponsor there. So it's not the question of only the IITians, it is the non-IITians also who are getting part of it. So all of us are needed to get together and to work for our country and take it forward. Pan IIT, as a chairman, I had given a recent call sometime, and it became very viral. I say, from Silicon Valley, we must come to Indus Valley, the new Indus Valley. The new Indus Valley is here. It is in Bangalore, it is in Hyderabad, it is in Chennai, it is in Noida, it is in Greater Noida, it is in Gurgaon. It's everywhere. So this is the kind of the ethos that we need to take with us, and ultimately we need to work together. So this event in Chennai today, we will be seeing lot of discussions happening over here. A lot of good things will come out of it. It will motivate the younger people. It will give satisfaction to our older generations who have done their bit and as a nation builder. And it will give them the kind of identity that is very much needed over here. And I wish everyone present over here, and I especially thank IIT Ma, Sridhar is sitting over here, and IIT in Madras, their contribution, and of course our directors from IIT Tirupati and Kharagpur, of course. So you are the pioneer of the IIT system here. So a big hand to all the IIT directors present over here, because it is there, Chakravarti Sahab and Satyanarayana Sahab. So I am very much thankful to you, and I am told that 𝐿𝐴𝐀𝐻𝐿 sir is going to arrive in some time. And to mark the importance of this occasion, no less than our His Excellency Governor of Tamil Nadu will also be gracing the platform in some time, the stage in some time. So this is really a very big opportunity for all of us to come together. And I must thank each and everyone for taking their time out and making efforts to make this an event a very success. And we have Santhanam Sahab here, we have Mani Sahab here. So many people, all the stalwarts of Pan IIT are here. So on that note, thank you so much everyone, and let's make this event a great success. Thank you once again.